Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a watermark on Capcut mobile. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, we got a video right over here. So in this video I want to add a watermark. So how we can do that is very simple. First of all, you need to go to the text in bottom side. So tap on the text and then here you need to add text. So tap on the add text and this will bring us up to the text that you want to add as a watermark. So from my case, I will type on tutorial arena. So that's how you can add, and then just you need to make it bigger like this. And then from here, as you can see in the bottom side, you will see the font. So for my case or more maximum case, you need to add a bold font. All right. So let's just check it out. As you can see, Rubik is one of the bold fonts. So I will select that and we got a bold text. All right. Then from here, you need to tap on the effects. And then you can also add different types of effects. But for now, I will go to the styles. And from here, you will see the opacity. Our main case is the opacity. So we need to make it lower. Like 30%. All right, so 30% will be a good amount. So as you can see, we got a watermark in middle of the video. So that's how you can add a watermark on Capcut mobile. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.